Okay, my patch is done now, but it's not ready to wear yet. Let me show you how I turn mine into an iron-on, quick and easy. Alright, before you get started, here's what you'll need to turn your patch into an iron-on. You need your iron-on adhesive. I use HeatnBond Ultra Hold. You can get that from Hobby Lobby. Also, you need your scissors to cut the adhesive. Then you need your parchment paper. And then you'll also need your Cricut mini iron press, or just a regular iron, to press the actual adhesive onto the patch. And then you'll need your patch. Make sure it's already trimmed up and ready. Okay, so now it's time to actually apply the adhesive to the back of the patch. So I need to turn on the iron. I'm going to set it for a medium heat using my Cricut mini press. That will be the middle setting. Then I'm going to place the patch on the Ultra Hold adhesive sheet, making sure the adhesive side is touching the back of the patch. I trim around it, cutting the paper into a rectangle or square that fits the patch, just trimming off the extra paper without cutting into the patch itself. Okay. Next, I'm going to flip the patch over so it faces down on a piece of parchment paper with the adhesive paper side up. That protects the front while I press. I use the mini press to apply heat for about 15 to 20 seconds, longer if the patch is bigger, just enough to get the adhesive to bond to the back of the patch. Once it's cooled down, I'll take my small sharp scissors and trim off any extra adhesive paper hanging off the sides. So now our patch is ready to basically just be ironed onto our garment. To do so, go ahead and peel off that white paper backing. You should see a shiny layer behind on the back of your patch. That's the adhesive, and that means it's ready to go. Now place your patch exactly where you want it. I'm going to add mine to the sleeve of this gray sweatshirt that I've been working on. So once everything is in position, you'll want to lay your parchment paper over the top of the patch to protect it. And then you're going to use your iron or your Cricut mini press or even your heat press on medium heat to press the patch onto the garment, okay? Make sure you apply firm and even pressure for about 15 to 30 seconds, depending on how big your patch is again. Now, after you've pressed it, let it cool for about 30 seconds. You want to make sure it's cool completely. But the key here is while it's cooling, put something heavy on the top of that patch. That helps lock it in as it sets. You can use a book, a flat iron, anything that'll apply pressure while it cools down completely. And if you want to make sure your patch really stays put long term, you can always take it a step further. Either sew it down around the edges, or you can use a little fabric glue for extra security. And that's it. You have an iron-on patch. It's locked in, it's loaded. You can wear this, you can wash it, and your patch should stay in place. If you have any questions, make sure you put it down in the comments, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. This is my first video, but I will have more to come.